Alright, done our morning run. Had our breakfast, I had waffles again. Just had muesli, didn't you? Same as always. We're looking up some stuff to do today. We thought the vaults would be cool, but I think we're gonna do... What do we do?
Go to the museum.
The museum first. But before all of that, we thought coffee. It's a must. You all good?
Yeah.
Ready for a fun day? It's gonna be a good time. I think we're gonna have some fun. Where are we?
It's the National Museum.
National Museum. Oh. This place is awesome. There's some incredible stuff. There's a giant balloon thing. Having fun?
Yeah. Just had a little stretch up there.
So I went for a morning run, but you still need to stretch afterwards, so we forgot to do that. Come on, turn that handle. Get a spark.
I can't do it.
Yeah, you can. Keep going. There you go. Yay! Yeah. Touch him.
Is it going to electrocute me?
No. What do you think of motorbikes? Not your thing. Because we're in Scotland, Edinburgh, we're gonna try it, right?
Yeah, I guess.
Go on. Here we go.
It's like weird Fanta.
Yeah, it's like weird Fanta. Keep going. You're like a hamster.
You're like a dumb hamster.
I finished the museum. What do you think?
I like the wildlife exhibition.
Wildlife exhibition was amazing.
Yeah.
It ended on some pretty serious notes, didn't it? Talking about rhino poaching, the rhino horn poaching.
And gorillas.
Yeah, it was.
They were eating them.
I know, it's terrible, isn't it? Not
Oh,
good.
we saw some really cute animals too.
What was your favourite cute one?
The white wolf in the snow with the egg in its mouth.
Was it a fox?
Oh, maybe a fox.
I think it might have been a fox. It was really cool. I'll see if I can find it and show you. Alright, quick coffee break and then we're going to do the Meerkats tour of the historic Scotland Underground vaults. I know Emma told us to do it, but coffee, then we go. We'll tell you all about it. Okay, it turns out I got the name of the company wrong. It's called Mercat Tours. And we meet at the Mercat Cross, which is Scottish for market.
Which makes a lot more sense than meerkat.
Yeah, a lot more.
My name's Simon and welcome to our historic underground tour, which as you can see begins very much overground. The entire population of Edinburgh lived in these narrow closes or alleyways off the Royal Mile. So the city was just one long road, the Royal Mile, and there were more than 300 closes running off it.
Made it back out. See any ghosts?
Yeah. And Robert Louis
No
Stevenson,
ghosts?
the guy
No.
who wrote Treasure Island, Dr. Jekyll and Mr. Hyde, he famously stood on that bridge. that you can see in a twinkling of the eye the British class system. Because if you're standing on that bridge, you've got the lovely shops. If you look down there, it's the slum.
How was it?
It was good, I really liked it.
It was good, really good, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Hey Emma, found your favourites. Alright, we've done all the walking tours today. It's time to have some drinks and some dinner.
Love it.
Alright, we've been out. We had a good night. We're going to go to bed now because we've got an early morning run up to Arthur's Seat. Alright, good night.